Odin again. The music the whole nations. The man is the shock. This is going to be huge. Huger than ever expected. It's the real winner. Do 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 do. Okay, let's actually draw it instead of just singing about it. Hey, what does that look like? But no, cover that up. Cover that up. Cover that up. I don't want to see it ever again. What did that keep on happening? Why do I keep seeing it? Ew. This is not a banana tornado. I beg you to not say it's a banana tornado. Do you know why they're little dot? Team Twistics. Do 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 do. Actually, that that people build. Like, I don't know who even made Twistics. Who's the best? I don't know. It's looking so huge, dude. Did not even know that type of tornado even existed in the first place. Oh, God. Boys. Just imagine this. Casey did actually survive. Yeah. This sounds like a red dot for some person as the you literally know why they are place these random stuff. Dude, why can't it place? It cannot even place. This is it's so small compared to the other dot. It's from the news. Twisted. Dude, it's literally so shipping but late. That's the news too. Yeah, you heard me right. Cars get sucked into the tornado. But wait a second. Today, did it a bit boy? Why not? I just biggest person of the life. Dude, imagine trying to see that with your bare eyes. The tornado can switch directions randomly, so I'm just going, dude. Imaginations. Oh, we go besides imaginations. No. Yes. What should I place next? Some black, and maybe yes. Dude, it's so big. Quick. Go the tornado tree. Do you even know why I said that? It's because the tornado the goose that intercepted the tornado. Yeah, it was like just sitting and not even reacting at all. Like the tornado was not even there. Oh my god! Yeah, that's the road where Twist actually drive on that black strip of dude, why am I voice so laggy? Laggy. Didn't I put the white dot? Dude, the other white dot is so small I cannot even see it. So, oh dude, so small. Pinchy, pinchy, bonk, bonk, pinchy, bonk, bonk, pinchy, pinchy, bonk, bonk, pinchy, pinchy, bonk. Oh, it's so damn small. So to this is that, that, that. You can barely even see. You can barely even see the white dot. Dude, that's Twistix being inside of the tornado. This is the El Reno tornado back in 2030. I'm not even talking to you, little dumb sister. Eh, mm, Dude, that is so hard. Should I put some this? Oh wait a second. Keep on forgetting the outline. Dude, why do I keep on spinning all of the time? What is actually wrong with me? What in the actual heck is wrong with me? I don't know. I wasn't even born in 2026. I swear I did not even click that fit. Baby, dude, smiling creative. Dude, what is wrong with me? Can you please just sit there? Did that even do? My foot. Ah, yeah, do you see that white dot? No, the lines. Yeah, that's with no. Why can you slightly still see that? Hmm. Maybe that's a way to do the difference of this. The road is literally touching the tornado and it's literally disappearing. Wait a second, wonder how big do we need to take in? Yes, 7 degrees outside. Dude, why am I this weird and the Philippines? I tracked the weather. It's so hard outside. Bonnie and the dinosaur, imaginations. Please put a ram inside. Okay, I'm even talking about, I don't know. Fast. No, I don't even like that. Dude, that is so hard. I will still spin several of times. Why do I keep on spinning so much time on these large tornado? Not again, dude. I literally got some iPhone. My dad owns an Samsung and I own an Android. Oh my god. Bonnie, the most time I need to. always need to spend on is Mike Davidson. Who the heck even is a Mike Davidson? Dude, my little Oh damn it, dude! I cannot even draw because my hand is broken. I mean, my hand itches. Yes, that's whatever you're thinking about. Those stupid little comments I keep on seeing every single day. Oh gosh, dang it! Oh my god! I literally spent too much time observing my arm instead of just looking at the drawing and watching it. Actually, what even is morning is a bad day. What is the bloop bloop? Nope. Bloop 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 bloop. Oh, I think this is a bit too good. Should they do it? I don't know. Eh, choices are choices. But I still need to recreate. What do I keep on needing to need the axe? Need the axe. Oh my, that's so small. Oh, actually filled with socks inside of my entire heart. Boom! Exploded out of. That was the original one, but it's actually kind of and I keep on forgetting that. Why do I keep on forgetting this? What the heck? It literally looks like it's the tornado is floating up in the air, not even touching the ground yet. Oh gosh. The first one is the best so far, actually. Did not even know who owns what things that time is making it. I think that's what that. No, no, I am actually obsessed. That took me like 2 seconds, actually 7 minutes to draw or something. I don't know. So